Hi everybody, Karel here. So what do you do when you're hungry for lunch and you don't really have, a clue what you're gonna have? Well, you raid your refrigerator and you get out the veggie balls, you get out the white rice risotto, you get out a tortilla, you get out some cucumbers, you get out some hummus, you get out some taziki, and then you brown some mushrooms, brown those mushrooms, brown them. Brown some mushrooms in some olive oil in your all-clad pan, and then you put the white rice and some water in there after you brown them. And when you're browning the mushrooms, you take a little red wine, throw that in there. You cook that for 5 minutes, which it has. You turn it off, you cover it. I use my tea kettle because it works, see? Then you throw some Harney and Sons Moroccan mint into your stove, tea kettle, get that going, and you make yourself a delicious wild rice and mushroom rice along with a, let's call it a gyro made in a tortilla, so a Mexican gyro, a Mexi gyro, with hummus and taziki. Oh, and your veggie balls, which you're air frying. Air fry your balls, baby. That's what you do for lunch. You gotta cook the tortilla, yeah, you gotta cook your tortilla. You gotta slather on some hummus, slather on some hummus, yeah. Throw in some tzatziki, yeah. Get your baby spinach, yeah, get your baby spinach. Throw in baby spinach, yeah, you gotta throw in baby spinach. Add in some tomato, yeah, you gotta add in some tomato. Put in some red onion, put in some red onion, yeah. Throw in some cucumber just because. Now you got your veggie balls. Throw in all your veggie balls. Don't forget your ball. And you've got your rice. Yes, you've got your rice. There you have your lunchtime. Oh yes, there you got your lunchtime. Time to eat. Yummy for the tummy. Yes, it's yummy for the tummy. Oh my God. Don't you wish you were me? Miss Ember does. Don't you wish you were me, Miss Ember? Oh, come on out. You get some treats too. Ember gets a treat too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ember gets a treat too. Bon appetit.